Hey everyone, welcome to the Ty James channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade your PS5 storage to a higher capacity drive. Now this is going to be the ultimate guide for 2025, keeping you up to date on the easiest way to expand your console's storage for more games, faster load times, and maximum performance. Let's jump right in. Now before we get started, here's what you're going to need. Number 1, a Phillips head screwdriver. And number 2, an NVMe SSD with a heatsink. Now make sure it meets the PS5's requirements. Here's a pro tip. Check PlayStation's official website for the latest compatibility specs. But as a general rule of thumb, make sure it's a PCIe Gen 4 and also has a minimum of 5500 MBS read speed and the correct form factor size. Now step 1, you want to power down your PS5 completely, make sure it's not on standby mode, and unplug it from the wall. Now you're going to place it on a nice clean flat surface with plenty of light. And it's always good to ground yourself to avoid any static electricity that could damage the internal components. Now, step 2, you're going to remove the PS5 side cover. The easiest way to remember which side that the drive is on is one side's got the PlayStation logo, and then the other side doesn't. So you're going to start with the one that does not have the logo. Now, to remove this side cover, all you're going to do is you're going to gently lift on the corner here. You don't want to pry it off. You're just going to gently lift and slide it. Now don't force it, the cover should come off easily if you do this correctly. Now if you take a look, you're going to locate your M.2 slot, which is going to be right here. Okay, if you see, it has a protective cover with one screw. Now you're going to use your screwdriver and you're going to completely remove the screw from the cover. Now lift up the cover. And you will see that is the slot for the M.2 drive. Now underneath that cover, you're going to see there's another screw here that actually holds down the SSD to the motherboard. Now you're going to go ahead and remove this screw as well and put it to the side. Now to install the drive, you're going to put this down at an angle into the drive slot. And once it's in, you're going to let it come down. Now as you can see, this particular drive, we have to move the screw and the standoff one slot over to fit this drive. Once your standoff is there, go ahead and put the screw back in to secure it down. Now it should be firm, but do not overly tighten. Next step, you're going to put the cover back on. You're going to go at an angle, push it down, and then go ahead and reinsert the cover screw. Last step is you're just going to snap the PS5 side panel back into place. Now step 6, you're going to plug your PS5 back in, power it on. System will automatically detect the new SSD and prompt you to format it. Now follow the on-screen instructions. It's quick and easy. Now once formatted, you're going to go to settings, then storage in the settings, and you're going to verify your new drive is ready to use. You'll see the added capacity, perfect for downloading more games and content. And that's it. Your PS5 now has expanded storage and ready to take on all those new games coming in 2025 and beyond. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and gaming content. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your upgrade experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.